Now this is about as good as it gets when it comes to pickup trucks. But this isn't just any pickup truck. This is the Mercedes-Benz X-Class, what they call the X350 power specification. It is 4Matic, so it's four-wheel drive. 6,000 miles on the car, 2020, 2070 registration even. But what makes this car really special is what's been done to it. This is a full deranged conversion blackout edition. I've configured it myself and I've got the invoice for it. This cost well over £30,000 just to make it look as good as this. And the kit that's been put on it is first class, premium quality in every single way, from the styling to the fitment and then to the interior. But then the whole colour theme works. There's a list, I mean a long list of extras on this car, and I will try my very, very best to touch on most of it. But let me just show you some of the neat features that stand out for me. The most obvious one is that beautiful full vehicle wrap in a matte colour, as you can see. Good metal grey, looks stunning. It is a metallic wrap, but the full bodywork, including door shuts as well. That cost £2,500. This one then has the GX 400 wide body kit on this, which is £7,500, and that's all this arch kit front and rear. You've got the upgraded front bumper with all the black sections just going on here. Again, such a flared look on it. Other specifications like the Mercedes do give you already, which is the LED high performance headlights with the LED daytime running lights, because it is the power spec. You've got the 360 view camera system. This one then has the high gloss black front grille there. But if you look at that mouthpiece again, this is not just any ordinary pickup, it is the best. From my understanding, you can't even configure an X-Class conversion anymore because you're not making any more X-Classes. So it's unless you go and buy a used one and then spend the £30,000, which I don't know many people out there that have the stomach to do that. This one's ready-made, done for you. You don't have to mess about and leave the car for a couple of weeks. It's there, just ready to collect. This car then has a £4,500 on-air TM four-corner air suspension. So it's Satin bags, so you can literally drop the truck to the floor or raise it. And that makes a difference, not just the way it looks, but the way it drives. I've drove this car this morning because before I advertise it, I want to make sure it drives nice and I can genuinely tell you what I think about it. It doesn't drive like a pickup, it actually drives like a Merc E-Class. It drives unbelievable. So you've got the arch kit there again. You've got all the badging for the Deranged all over the car, as you'd expect. With it having the wide body kit on it, you've got the upgraded wheels, and they cost a fortune. All-terrain tyres, and they're 20-inch. And they look stunning because, again, it sits in line with the wide body. I've seen some guys out there who go and put an aftermarket kit on it and keep the standard wheels or not the bigger wheels like this one deserves, and it sinks in and just looks a little bit off. This one then has another £2,500 upgraded grooved brake discs with the orange brake calipers as well, and that does make a difference. You've then got the Mercedes-Benz gloss black side steps there, which are fixed and they're fully usable. You can step on it to get in and out of the car. Some protection glass, comfort access, that part of the Merc spec, but then this is where thousands and thousands have been spent. This is not a pickup where it's been made to look nice on the outside and the inside's been completely forgotten about. Absolutely not. £4,900 for the beautiful Recaro Deranged leather quilted seats, sporty seats, electric seats and heated seats. And that's both driver and passenger with the Recaro seats, but the rear seats have also been quilted leather trimmed as well. Almost £2,000 for this top dash to be leathered, another £1,200 for the bottom dash to be leathered. You've then got another £1,400 for the full roof lining to be sort of retrimmed in this lovely suede Alcantara finish. You've then got the upgraded steering wheel with the Alcantara finish as well. The list goes on and on, but everything is to top quality. You've then got the normal specifications, the panel black inlays, you've got navigation, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, the dual zone climate control, obviously automatic gearbox, and then you have the different dynamic rides as well. You'll see the contrasting orange stitching, because that's the theme of this car, the brake calipers, the seats, the inserts. When you're configuring this car on the Deranged website, and if you get a second do-it-yourself, you'll get a shock. It's well over £30,000 if you look at the extras on this car and the way it's been specced up. You've then got the premium leather on the door cards, and it's not just leather, it's nice and soft. Again, the detailing on the stitching, everything makes a difference. This one also has the upgraded Audison sound system as well with the extra tweakers. And there's the rear seats as well. If you look at the back of the seats, so Deranged do a few different configurations. You've got the badge in there, but A lot of the guys won't pay the extra £600 and get the Alcantara rear backing on the seat. They just go for the plastic or the high gloss, which is fine, by the way, but this is the stitched and Alcantara finish in it, which is nearly £600 as well, which looks really good, but it's nice to touch and feel as well. Fully fitted matte front and rear, but because the car's done 6,000 miles, the condition is absolutely unbelievable. I completely forgot to mention something at the start of the video, which I think makes a massive difference. Yes, this is a cracking car in every single way, with 6,000 miles on a 70 registration, with a massive conversion which costs a fortune. But most importantly, it's VAT qualifying as well. So if you're in the business and you're VAT registered, this is a commercial truck. It's VAT qualifying. How good can it get? It doesn't get any better. Round the back, you've got another £600 matte black roof bars or rear bars there. You've also got the mountaintop roller shutter, which costs nearly £1,200. You've got LED rear lighting system with a tint, so they're a bit more blackened now, as you can see. Heavy duty tow bar. All the badging is finished in black, and you've got a massive, massive load space there. And like I said, with the roller shutter, it's very easy to use. You just literally pull it across. Because it's doing 6,000 miles, the condition is perfect. I can say it another 5 more times, that won't change. The wheel arches. But when I said about the fitting and the quality, it's this. I've seen so many conversions done by other sort of companies, and they are. They're tatty at best, really. They're hanging, they're not straight, the seal's not right. If you look at the seal on this, all the arch kits, even the wrap, the job that has been done on this is phenomenal. Remember, for the video, I've left it at this height, but you can drop the suspension and you can raise it. Just going back to the interior, how well it's been put together. Now, like I said, this could be a works truck. It could be a family truck. Personally, I think it's very, very nice work truck, but it's really special. Electric windows and mirrors with electric folding mirrors, lane assist, the 360 camera button, all this is lovely leather, and the air suspension button is just down there, so you can raise it and drop it. Push button start, paddle shift there. And like I said, being the 350 X350 diesel, which is a 3-litre diesel engine, it has 258 brake horsepower, but with the upgraded suspensions and everything else, this just really is. It'll surprise you what it does. There's a high definition camera system, automatic gearbox, twin cup holders, 2 keys, the centre armrest that can be shared by you and the passenger is also leather wrapped with the same orange stitching. These seats are super comfortable. They're absolutely brilliant. I can't emphasise how much has been spent on this car. When I say it's a complete one-off, I mean in the way where I personally couldn't spend £30,000+ on the conversion. I'd rather buy one that's been done, save myself lots of money, and be done without the hassle, because this is perfect, and the colour combination works extremely well. My name's Joe. My name and number is on the bottom of the screen. Now, this is a very special car. I know for a fact I've probably missed half a dozen, if not a dozen, other extras on the car, little things. But I will put that on the website. You can call me, you can WhatsApp me. I'll be happy to forward on all the optional extras on it. And then if you have got a part exchange, I'm happy to work that out. We do finance, PCP and HP, so get in touch, guys. But thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.